Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about number bonds, or you can call them fact families, or we've called them part-part-whole relationships. So if you ever hear number bonds, fact families, or part-part-whole, it's always just about the same thing. Now, a number bond is pretty much the relationship between a whole number and the parts that make up the number. So we've been learning a lot about how to make 10 and 10 friends, and so that's what we're going to be looking at today, the part-part-whole of 10. So over here, I have my 10 frame cards, and I'm just going to take the first one off the pile here. And we know that there are 10 spaces in here because it's a 10 frame card, so of course there are 10 spaces. I'll just move it here so it's not as glary. So the red squares total up 7. We know that. How many more to get to 10? 3 more, absolutely. So if we look at the whole is 10. The parts are 7 and 3. So if I look at my little diagram here and I put the whole number in, the big number will be 10 and the parts are 7 and 3. Now, a number bond is helpful. It helps us in addition and subtraction. Today, we're just going to talk about addition because we are finding the numbers that make 10. So if I look at this, I can say, well, I know that 7 and 3 together is the same as 10. So I can say 7 and 3 is the same as 10. Another way to say it is 3 and 7 is the same as 10. Let's see if that's right. Here's 10. I can say 7 and 3, or I can say 3 and 7. Either way I look at it, it still is 10. So if I want to write that a different way, I can say 3 and 7 is the same as 10. Now, in grade 1, we've also learned that we can write it a different way. We can say 10 is the same as 7 and 3. It doesn't matter where we put our 10, as long as the whole number is on one side of the equal sign and our parts are on the other side of the equal sign. Now, if 10 equals 7 plus 3, 10 also equals 3 plus 7. So that's another way that you could write that. I'll write that here on top. 10 is the same as 3 and 7. I just ran out of room there. Okay, that's how we could look at it with a 10 frame. Let's do it again, but this time we'll use blocks. I have 10 blocks here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm just going to break it, how about right here? Okay, I used to have 10 as a big number, the whole number. Now I've broken it into 9 and 1. So my whole number was 10, but now I have parts of 9 and 1. So 9 and 1 is the same as 10. Let's write that. 9 and 1 is the same as 10. I can reverse it and say 1 and 9 is the same as 10. Okay, I can also say 10 is the same as 9 plus 1. Often we say the same as instead of equals, just to reiterate to kids that this side of the equal sign and this side have to be the same amount. So if I say 10 is 9 and 1, I can also say 10 is 1 and 9. Is the same as 1 and 9. Okay, so that's a basic lesson on part-part-whole or number bonds. Hopefully this helps you when you are doing your number bond worksheets and making families of 10. Thanks a lot.